Why online giants are opening offline stores? Reliance, Myntra, Nykaa have opened their offline stores in India. Amazon operates physical stores in the USA but not yet in India. But what's the need for offline? To create multi-sensory consumer experiences, you can't compare holding a product in your hand and seeing the minute detail. By capturing offline market, business can gain access to a large number of new consumers. Showrooming is booming. Physical stores encouraging showrooming in which people choose to examine a product in a physical location before buying it online. A better business model. As online retailers expand, physical storefronts can be used as warehouse and shipping centers for building relationship with customers that last. In-person encounters with human beings in physical stores can strengthen relationship with customers and build brand trust. All these things help to build a better brand. How do you like to shop online or offline? Thank you and subscribe for more videos.